Imagine making up to $1,000 every week just by converting short audio and video files into text. Fortunately, tons of online websites pay lots of money for this simple task. If you are eager to learn more about typing jobs and make it as your go-to side hustle, grab your snacks and your notepad to make notes as you watch this video and delve into exciting details. Typing job opportunities can help you manage your finances well without any investment or expertise. The best part of the job is flexibility. You can work at any time you want. It's totally up to you. So in this video, I will show you the top 10 websites that actually help you to make money just by typing. So just sit tight and watch this video till the end. Starting with number 10, Scribie. Over 40,000 certified typists work at Scribie, a popular website that offers excellent audio and video transcription services. And a wow fact about the website is, since its inception, the organization has disbursed over $3 million to its transcribers. Transcribers worldwide can join Scribie and earn between $5 to $25 per audio hour. The earning potential for every transcriber could vary. As per Scribie, you can earn around $400 per month as a novice transcriber. At the same time, experts can generate over $1,600 per month, and you can easily access your money through PayPal. The most exciting feature of the website is that you can earn a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours of work. Besides this, the website provides a free automated transcript that makes your job easier. All you have to do is edit the transcript rather than typing everything from scratch. In this way, it saves more than 60% of your typing efforts. Number 9, Transcription Panda. This website has hundreds of in-house and expert transcribers that help clients to convert their audio and video files. It welcomes both domestic and international applicants for home-based typing jobs. A great aspect of the website is that you are in charge of choosing your jobs. However, you can only select a maximum of 5 transcriptions per week. The website pays you between $24 to $46 per audio hour. Beginners on average can expect to earn $390 per month. In comparison, top transcribers stand a chance to make around $1,820. Moreover, unlike conventional jobs, you don't have to wait for the whole month to get your pay. You can obtain your cash every week via PayPal. Number 8, TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is one of the most prominent websites that pay you for typing audio and video files. The registration process and working on the website are entirely free of cost. Based on various reviews, TranscribeMe has one of the highest rates in the market. So if you are aiming to earn extra bucks for simple tasks, this is the one for you. TranscribeMe estimates that you can easily make over $15 to $22 per audio hour. The average monthly earning begins from $250. Some high earners even earn around $2,200 per month. Moreover, you can withdraw your money through PayPal weekly if you have made $20. Jobs are super easy and relatively shorter than you expect. It requires the conversion of 2 minutes audio clips. The website is accessible worldwide, hence you can easily earn by typing from anywhere in the globe. Number 7, Casting Words. Casting Words also pays to transcribe audio files into text. Your total earnings may vary between 8.5 cents to $1 per audio minute. You can make $5 to $28 per project. It's essential to keep in mind that your earnings rely on the caliber of your work. For instance, if your work receives a grade of 9, you will receive 3 times your primary payment. Also, you might not receive any payment if your work gets a rate of 4 or lower. Uncertainty about income is a drawback that typists should consider before they begin any project. So beware while taking up projects here. But the fact that the website is free to join, worldwide accessible, and offers your payment weekly via PayPal, which might encourage you to give it a shot. Number 6, CrowdSurf. The next portal on the list is CrowdSurf, which has a fantastic community of typists who provide captioning and transcribing services. As a typist, you can work here per your flexibility and at your own pace. You can sign up on the work market to get hired from anywhere worldwide and work with their team on their private editing platform. You can connect with various employers offering freelancing work and make around $2 to $12 per audio hour. CrowdSurf pays you per project through PayPal. You can work as per your convenience on your own schedules on this website. Number 5, Way with Words. Another reputable international company that provides audio-to-text solutions is Way with Words. Proficient English first language speakers from countries in the European Union, South Africa, the United Kingdom, Canada, the United States, Malaysia, New Zealand, Singapore, and Hong Kong are eligible to apply here. You can freelance or do a full-time job according to your preference and earn between $10 to $26 per audio hour. Receive your cash directly into your PayPal account every month. The company is open to all the beginners who have zero experience of typing and transcribing to join their team. It takes zero technical knowledge or expertise to begin, so you can quickly start your work on the get-go. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos like these. Number 4. Rev.com. Rev is a major player in the transcription industry with an extensive range of positions for you. Residents from the UK, US, Canada, and many more places where PayPal accounts are accessible are eligible to apply for numerous job openings at Rev.com. Rev pays freelance transcribers from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute on every audio and video file. On the other hand, the website pays captioners from 54 cents to $1.10 per minute on every audio and video file. You can make $18 to $26 on every transcription or caption project. You can choose as much or little work as you want at Rev.com. Once you sign up, you must take an English language and grammar test and then submit a sample of your work. Once approved, you can straightaway begin working at Rev.com. Rev pays weekly, so you won't have to wait too long for your payments. Number 3. GoTranscript. A thriving online portal called GoTranscript also renders transcription and translation services. The organization is looking for aspiring typists and transcribers who take pride in their work to grow their team. The online company pays competitive rates for transcription jobs from $10 to $36 per audio hour. Beginners can make over $150 per month. Experts may earn over $1,215 monthly. You can quickly receive your weekly payouts via PayPal for all the transcription work you do. An excellent feature about this website is that you can also type or translate into other languages, including Arabic, Danish, French, German, Japanese, and many more. You can sign up at GoTranscript to become a part of their global community of professional transcriptionists. Number 2. Daily Transcription. Daily Transcription is a US-based online portal that offers transcription and translation services. The organization operates in the USA and Canada. The company claims to pay you higher rates than its top rivals, including Rev, Scribe, and others. The website weekly pays for the assignments. The payment for transcription project varies from $10 to $35. However, expert transcriptionists can make approximately $350 to $950 in a week. So if you want around $1,000 in your pocket by the end of every month, Daily Transcription fits the bill for you. You can join the Daily Transcription team and access all your earnings through PayPal. Number 1. HappyScribe. This website offers transcription and subtitle service all in one platform. The organization functions in various countries, including the UK, USA, Spain, France, Canada, Germany, Kenya, the Philippines, and many more. Interestingly, HappyScribe enhances your workflow through their personal keyboard shortcuts that enable you to proofread your documents even quicker. The website offers both free and paid auto-transcription softwares. The cost of paid software is extremely reasonable. It costs you around 20 cents per minute and is 85% accurate. The website pays you €0.90 per minute, which is equal to 92 cents. In this way, you can earn over $55 for every 1 hour of work at HappyScribe. An average transcriber at HappyScribe can make about €450, which is equivalent to $458 per month. On the contrary, top transcribers might make around €3,000, which is equal to $3,056. Your earnings at HappyScribe primarily rely on the language you decide to transcribe and the availability of jobs. If you commit more time to HappyScribe, you can become one of their top-rated typists. So in this video, I have talked about the top 10 reliable online websites that connect you with a global community of clients that have a steady stream of typing projects waiting for you. Whether you are an experienced typist or just a beginner, there are numerous online websites brimming with job opportunities. These jobs aren't as high-paying or a preferred full-time employment, but are a great source of side income. As a typist, you will always have something to work on with new transcription jobs every day. If you are a finance enthusiast, you should definitely watch out for this space to make money as your side hustle. And if you want to know more about how to make money online, then check out these videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.